Good morning, everybody. Just got this lovely park model trade-in. And everyone's been asking me about these used park models coming in. This is the first one I had in possibly 2 years. Very clean. Everything checked out good. It's got a sliding glass door. It's got a sliding screen door. I believe this is a 2017 Keystone Hideout. Big residential fridge. Very nice. I love this front kitchen model. All this counter space. Microwave, stove, oven. Doesn't even look like this stuff was ever used. Wow. Very clean. Got the U-shaped dinette. You get these flags. They left them in here. So you can put them on a site if you have site, or if you're putting this camper on some property. Here, I got some flags to go along with it. You got a recliner here. It's not stationary. You can move it wherever you like. Right in front of the TV. This is a big camper. So this is a mid-bunk front kitchen. I have never seen this layout before. I really like it. These cushions flip down, turns into one big queen-size bed on the floor here. You get a little ottoman that comes with it. They must have added that themselves. This unit does have a built-in central vacuum cleaner. Comes with all the attachments. I already found the attachments. They're all underneath the bed in the main bedroom. So that's very nice. You can clean the whole unit. Use another broom or Swiffer. Hold 300 pounds on the bunk bed above, or this lifts up if you want it to. It'll lock in place to create more headspace if kids are hanging out in here, watch TV, playing video games. And you have a spot right here where you can add a TV as well. You should be able to mount that on the wall. There should be a backer behind here. Yeah, there's a backer. I feel it. Excellent. All right. Nice window here in the hallway, so it's not so dark. I like that. Ooh, this looks like a porcelain toilet. Yeah. Nice bathroom. With the glass doors in the shower. And you have a walk-through door for your bathroom in your bedroom. Oh, you get a TV in the bedroom already. I like that. There's shelves on each side of the bed. Convenience. Put your phone up there out of the way. This is a cool gel memory foam mattress as well. That's included in this camper. You get all the storage underneath the bed. There's your attachments for that central vacuum cleaner. Awesome. Stay organized, stay clean. It's always important while you're camping, right? It's gonna get dirty sometimes, unfortunately. You just gotta clean up after yourself and yeah, keep having fun. Big closet in the bedroom. You have dresser drawers in here. Oh, it's a smart TV as well. Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, Vudu. Awesome. Another entrance door right into your bedroom. Just in case you don't want to wake anyone in your second room there in the middle of the night after coming in, hopefully having a few drinks. All right, I'm gonna post this in a couple minutes here. I want to thank everyone for following me. Thank you for all the business that everyone has brung. We appreciate you guys. Thank you so much, and we will keep it going. Love to hear from you guys soon. Thank you.